Kia ora everyone, Mrs. Bennett here. Today I'm going to teach you how to play a song on the ukulele. I know some of you have got ukuleles at home, which is great. If you don't, that's okay. You can still sing along, and then maybe when we all get back to school, you can have a go on the school ukuleles. So this song, most of you will know how to sing it already. It's called Ma is White. And it starts off with a C. A C, in my opinion, is pretty much the easiest chord to play on the ukulele. It's simply on the 3rd fret. These things here are called frets. So you count 1, 2, 3. The 3rd fret, and it's the bottom string only. That is a C. So if you strum it, that's a C. And that's how Ma is White starts off. So let's have a try and see how it sounds. Ma is white, fiddle is red, kakariki. We need to change chords there. So what you're going to do is play a G. This one is a little bit trickier, so let's go slowly. So with a G, first off you want to move your finger from the C up to the next string. Can you see that? So on the 3rd fret still, but on the 2nd string up. Then what you're going to do is kind of make a little triangle with your fingers, okay, with these 2 fingers here. So you're going to go to the 2nd fret and put your finger on the bottom string. Then you're going to go, oh, miss that string out, and put it on the next one up on the 2nd fret. If this looks a little bit tricky in the video, you can do a Google search and see how to do it on a picture. It might be a little bit easier, okay? So that's the 2nd chord that we're going to use in Ma is White. So we got up to kakariki, green, pango is black, mango is two, a, e, o, u. We need to change back to the C right at the end. So that is all that song is. It's just those 2 chords, C and G. Let me play the whole thing for you so that you can know when to change your fingers for the chords. Okay, let's go. Ma is white, fiddle is red, kakariki green, pango is black, mango is two, a, e, o, u, kowhai yellow, karori brown, kikorani blue, karakaraka is our orange, a, e, o, u, a, e, o, u. And it's as easy as that. Have a practice going from the C to the G and to the C again and back to the G as much as you can, and I can guarantee you'll be able to play Ma is White in no time. I hope you enjoyed singing along today. Ka kite until next time.